Hey everyone! I had friends ask me how I organized myself for my international trip and what I packed for the trip, so I decided to do a video for them and for you. All the items I took with me were either packed on my carry-on, which was my backpack, or in my luggage, so let's look at everything I took. Okay, let's take a look at everything that I took with me to Ireland and Scotland. The first is my carry-on, which is my backpack. Love this backpack that I bought on Amazon. It's lightweight. The padding on the straps is fantastic. It's thick, so it didn't hurt my shoulders at all. And let me show you the compartments. So, compartment 1 has 2 pockets for a cell phone, for passport, boarding pass, and maybe some few snacks here as well, like some power bars. This compartment here is a little zipper part where you can put your lipstick, chapstick, powder, some earrings. It's fantastic for that. And the next compartment is, hopefully you can see this. It has space for pins, again for a cell phone, for writing pad, for boarding passes, passport. You could put your iPad in here. It has a zipper part here, which has a small compartment here for snacks, for power bars, fruit. And also you can carry your water in here, extra water, because it has these pockets here where you can put your water in. It has 2 of them on each side, so fantastic. The inside is huge, so I was able to put some clothes in here, my jacket, my iPad I actually put in here. I put in some, what did I put in here? I think I put in some socks and a few other stuff. But what I also did is I put my food in here for the entire travel. And this is a little bag that I got in Peru. So I put all my little snacks in here, and they're power bars, apples, whatever I'm going to be eating throughout the travel. I don't always like the food on the airplane, so when I have these snacks here, it actually helps me out. And it fit in the backpack beautifully. Love it. The next item is my mini pillow that I travel with. I bought it on Amazon. It's considered a mini pillow. So one thing I absolutely love about this pillow is this clip. So either I could have put this in my backpack, which would have fit beautifully, but because I have this clip, let me show you what I did. So there is a strap here on my backpack. So I clipped it to the backpack, and I made room in my backpack because I did this. So when I had my backpack on, this just leaned to the side here and it never bothered me at all. And when I wanted to use it, all I had to do was just unclip it, and it's just easy as that. So let me open this up so I can show you the pillow. So when you first roll it out, it's gonna be a little funky, so you have to move the padding around inside, just like this. All right, so here's the pillow. So great purchase on Amazon. It's small, it's convenient, it has this hook. And when I usually sleep on the plane and I always have the window seat, so I lean this against the wall, and absolutely the best purchase ever. The next item is earplugs. If you are traveling international and if you're on the red eye, trust me, you do not want to be without these earplugs. They drown out a lot of noise from the passengers who've had too much to drink, babies who are crying when you're trying to sleep. The next item are compression socks. When you are on an international flight and you are traveling for 16, 17, or even more hours, your feet are going to swell from the altitude of the plane. So I always wear these, and I put these on right before I jump on the plane, and I wear them until I get to my destination. This way my feet aren't hurting and my feet do not swell. My selfie stick, of course, I have to have it. So this is great when I am taking pictures or I'm doing a video on my phone. This is great because it has the little tripod if I wanted to use it. There you go. And then I just pull this up, and I could go either way. I could do it portrait, or I can do it in landscape mode. It's fantastic, and it goes pretty tall actually. So great purchase. It's also Bluetooth. So I bought it on Amazon. I'll link it below for you. The next item is the Manfrotto mini tripod. It's fantastic. I love using it, especially if I'm videotaping myself. I put it on the table and I put the camera on top. It's perfect. Or if I am traveling to these historical places, I put the camera on here and I'm holding it here. It's fantastic because it's a great grip. It's small and it's convenient. Again, it's called Manfrotto and it's a mini tripod. I'll link it below for you. The next item is the Go Travel clip. My sister actually bought this for me. This is for any time that I'm carrying a bag, or if I'm carrying a jacket that I don't want to really hold in my hands. I'll roll it up and then I will clip it inside, and then I'll clip this to my luggage. So let me give you an example. So I actually have one of my bags here. I didn't take this with me. It's my London bag. Love it. And what you do is just clip this on like this, and I brought my suitcase just to show you. So you just clip it to the very top right here, and there you go. Just clip it in. If you're carrying a bag, you don't have to worry about carrying it in case your shoulder already hurts from your backpack. You just carry it here and you just move it forward, or if you have a jacket, you roll up the jacket, put it inside the clip, and there you go. So it's perfect. Love this clip. Always take it with me. The next item is this baby here. And after traveling for 16, 17, or even longer, you need to wash up. It's as simple as that. You need to wash your face and you need to brush your teeth. And having this little compact toothbrush and toothpaste in your backpack is something that everybody should have when they're traveling. My pharmacy bag. Yes, my pharmacy bag. I take my own medications because I never know if I'm going to get sick. And if I do get sick, I know that they have medications over there, but I don't know if I'm going to have allergic reactions to them. So it's better that I pack my own medication. And a COVID test, of course. You just never know. So if you get sick, it's better for you to test and know if you're positive or not. Ibuprofen, of course, in case you get a headache. Game changer, Gravenol. I get motion sickness on tour buses really bad. So I actually found this through another YouTuber who talked about her motion sickness. So I ordered it, and when I went to, I think I went to Italy and I bought this. And when I was on the tour bus, never got sick at all. And normally I do. Game changer, Gravenol. What is this? Allegra D, of course, for allergies. I have some Band-Aids. I have Neosporin. I have hydrocortisone. Let's see what else. Oh, definitely. You have to take Benadryl. Absolutely. Can't leave without Benadryl. Take your Benadryl. Oh, absolutely. Ladies, Azo, Azo, Azo. There's absolutely nothing worse than getting a UTI and in a different country. And until you can get to a doctor to get antibiotics, this will help you. Trust me, I've been there. Oh, and the last item is Tums. Just in case you get a stomach ache, go ahead and take some Tums, or you can take some Pepto-Bismol in the little mini bottles. I take those too. So that is for my carry-on, and let's talk about my suitcase. Before I get to my suitcase, let me show you the game changer. This is a sling, a chest sling that I bought on Amazon. It is absolutely amazing. I hate taking my purses to different countries. Even though I put them around my chest, I never feel like it's secure enough. I always feel like the pickpocketers are gonna get me because they are really, really good. They know how to do it very well. I had an experience with pickpocketing in Paris, and they did the whole mustard thing on my face thing, and I didn't realize what was happening. I just thought that this girl was trying to help me, and it wasn't until my sister stepped in that the pickpocketer backed off. So a lesson well learned for me. You know, I didn't know that was actually a thing. So let's go back to the sling here. So it goes over your chest and it sits in front of your chest. So there's no way a pickpocketer can take your stuff, you know, unless they actually pull it off over your head. But then, you know, that's not going to be an easy thing to do. So it has a small compartment here. You don't put anything important here like your passport or money. You would never do that. You put it inside. But I got a trick for you. So inside here is where you can put like a copy of your passport, a writing pen, some paper, you know, little stuff here. And then it has a little nook right here for maybe some lipstick or chapstick. But here is where you put your money. So it has a little side compartment here. And it's a small little pocket here. And this is where you put your money. So it's up against your chest. Again, this bag comes, I think, in blue, black, and I think gray. And I bought it on Amazon. I'll link it below for you. Again, game changer. Cannot travel without this bag. It is something I absolutely love. Now, what's inside of my suitcase? So either you love packing cubes or you don't. And I love them both. So sometimes I want to do packing cubes and sometimes I'd rather just roll my clothes, depending on how far I'm going and how long I'm gone. So packing cubes come in different sizes. And let me show you real quick in case that you've never seen them or you've never used them before. So you have a larger packing cube here. And this is for your clothes, for your shirts, for your pants. You can also put in, you probably can put in your socks and underwears and bras in here too if you roll them up in here. It's a great size and it works really great. The next one here is, again, it could be for smaller items. It could be for your socks, your bras, your underwear. Great size for that as well. And this small one here, it could be used for a couple of different things, for makeup, for your electronic cords. You can actually put this for some of your dirty clothes, but I wouldn't really recommend that. But I've seen people do it. So for my dirty clothes, my sister bought me this when we were in Italy, and we do our laundry when we're traveling, so we always find a laundromat somewhere. And until we can get to a laundromat, we put our clothes in this laundry bag here, and it works fantastic because it's away from all of our clean clothes, and it's definitely something that you have to have if you're going on a travel for long periods of time. Definitely got to have that. My next item is a camera bag, and this is where I keep my camera that I travel with. I can't show you the camera right now because I'm recording on it, but it's a Canon M50, and I will link it somewhere on the top here or in the bottom for you to take a look at it. So this is my camera bag, and has little compartments, and I have a strap for my camera, so when I'm tired of holding it, and if I don't have my mini tripod, then I just loop these on my camera here, and then it just dangles on my chest here. So I'm not carrying it, but it's still secure so it doesn't fall. And again, it has a whole bunch of different little compartments, and if I needed extra compartments for like makeup and stuff, and if it was empty, then that's where I could put stuff in. And that's pretty much it. That's everything that I took with me to Ireland and Scotland. I had a suitcase here, but I didn't get it on Amazon. I actually bought it at Ross, and it's a Samsonite, and probably one of the best luggages that I've purchased. And I have a lot of luggages, but this one had the hard shell. It has different compartments here, and the great thing is the inside is very roomy. And even though when I pack everything and I have everything in there, I also put my pillow, my bed pillow in here because I can't travel without my own pillow. So it still fits in there. It's a great suitcase. Love it. And so that's it. That's everything that I have and everything that I took with me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you grab some of these items that I link below for you. They're all affiliated links, so please feel free to grab anything that you like. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was a big help to my friends and to you. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. And if you have a great tip to share, or if you have any comments about Ireland and Scotland, leave them below. Thanks everybody for watching. Take care.